How to remove blank rows in Excel quick and easy. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you how you can remove blank rows on Excel in the most simplest and easiest way. So let's get into it. And if you are someone that has been running from Excel all their life because they thought that it would be too difficult for them, make sure to sit down and watch this video because it is just so simple to use Excel. And I did not realize how simple it was until I began learning it. And once I learned it all, I was so disappointed in myself. Why did I not do this earlier? Because it is just so simple. So to get started, we will just take one of these samples. I'm just going to open this up. So we are looking to delete different rows. So these are columns and horizontal are rows. So you can see that like this is a row that I've selected over here. And how do you delete an empty row? So let's say I created, this data chart and I have empty rows in between and I don't want them. How do you delete them? First off is the basic and simple method that you might be thinking of is you can see on your left, you have the row numbers and you can see row number 5 is empty. So I can just click on this and I can do a right click and click on delete. And just like that, I have deleted a empty row. But if you have a lot of data, you can see over here. So I have these 3 rows that are empty altogether. What I can do is I can do multi-select like this with my mouse click. So you're just going to do a left mouse click to select the starting row, do a left mouse click and then drag it down. And once you do that, you're just going to do a right click and then you can just delete your rows that you don't want like this, like so. And just like that, you've deleted all the rows that you don't want. But let's say I'm going to add a couple of empty rows over here just to show you guys how to delete rows if they are in a expansive data form and they are not together and you really need to remove all empty rows. So I have multiple rows that are empty. How do I delete them without having to mess up any of my data? Now, what you're going to do for that is you're going to see on your home button on the top toolbar, you're going to select that if you haven't opened that already. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you have any questions or queries, make sure to ask us in the comment box down below so I can help you out with any of your Excel needs or any of your other needs as well. Now, how do you delete multiple rows that are spaced out in a Excel sheet? What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Home. Within the Home section on the right, you will have Find and Select. You're going to click on Go to Special, and then you're going to select blanks. You're going to click on OK. We're going to click on Find and Select, go to Special, click on blanks, click on Command minus. So you can see over here, once I have selected blanks, it is highlighted all of the blank. So what I'm going to do is the top cells over here. You can see it's showing me all of the blank cells. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do a right click and click on delete to remove any rows. So you can choose what kind of blank data you want to remove. So you can click on entire row or entire column. That is totally up to you. We are looking to delete the rows, not the columns. So we're going to choose entire row and then you're going to click on OK over here. Just like that. I'm just going to repeat that process and we are just going to wait. So we're going to select this. And then I'm going to click on Go to Special, choose blanks, click on OK. And now you can see within the selected section, they are showing me all of the empty fields. You can click on Command minus, and then you're going to click on Shift cells up or left. You can choose that. So if you shift all these cells up, all of these will be moved up, but that will ruin your chart. So for that, you don't want to choose to move any of the data up. You're just going to choose the selected data. You're going to have your selected data. So we're going to select this once more. We are going to go into the Go to Special, click on blanks, click on OK. I'm sorry about that, guys. I forgot that I selected another cell. Now you can just click on Command minus, and then you're going to delete entire columns or entire rows. That is up to you, but we're just going to click on delete entire row, click on OK, and now you can see all of the data has been moved up. There are no more empty rows, and that is how simple and easy it is to delete excess rows or excess columns, whatever whatever there might be. So if I click on insert over here, I'm going to show you how to delete columns as well as rows, so you guys know how to do everything you need to know, just like that. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select my sections over here like this. So I've selected this section, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on find and select on the top right, click on go to special, click on blanks, click on OK, and this will highlight all of the blank sections, the blank cells that are available. I have 3 columns and 1 row, and then I'm just going to click on command minus, and then this will show me what I want to delete. So we're going to click on entire column, and I'm going to click on OK, and this will delete the columns. And that is one way you can do it. You can also choose to input data in any of, like, sometimes you have missing columns or rows, empty columns and rows because you forgot to input some data. You can choose to enter that as well. This go to special feature really will help you in making sure that your charts are cohesive and you haven't missed out on anything that you were supposed to add within your Excel charts. So going back to our simple Excel sheet, if we take a more simpler sheet, so just to better help you guys see that, if I have more data entries over here, so I'm just going to add more data, and I have random empty spaces that I really don't need. So what I'm just going to do is I'm going to select all these cells, and I'm going to click on find and select. I'm going to click on go to special, click on blanks over here, click on OK, and you will see all of the blank spaces have been highlighted. Now I'm going to click on command minus like this, command minus. Oh, so this has been entered in the form of a chart, so I cannot do that over here. This is like a specific kind of data format, but if you want, you can just do the simple basic method over here. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to follow along with these methods and techniques that I showed in this video. And if you found them helpful, make sure to share them with someone you might think that may need these. Share them with your friends, with your family, with your cousins, and share them with any business partners that you might have. And it might help you guys a lot to know all of these techniques and to follow along. And if you enjoyed this video, I would recommend that you please leave a like. And if you have any questions regarding this video, regarding any other video, or regarding any social platform, then you can definitely ask me in the comments down below, and I will try to answer as soon as possible, because that is the point of our YouTube channel. I want to show you guys on how to glide through these platforms and how to easily navigate and fulfill the purposes that you want to do with these social platforms. And if you have any details that you might want to know, any suggestions, any improvements that you think that I could add on to these videos, then please do leave them in the comment box down below, and I will make future videos according to those. And if you have any specific topics that you look forward to, also leave those in the comment box down below, and I will try to make videos on those as well. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out other videos. And if you feel like some other video might be helpful to someone else, make sure to share our videos with your friends and family as well. And if you find that there is something missing, I will try to figure out a way to integrate more accurate content according to your needs onto the channel. So make sure to tell me if you find anything missing. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.